CC2650 SensorTag and TI's cloud-based development tools. To start with, go to dev.ti.com. This will open the TI Cloud Tools portal. Once there, you can select from a number of different cloud-based applications. There's Resource Explorer, which allows you to browse through examples, libraries, and documentation. CCS Cloud, which is a cloud-based IDE, and the Pinmux tool. Let's go into Resource Explorer. In our case, we're interested in the CC2650. So I can type in CC2650 and select the SensorTag. This has filtered the content to show me just what is relevant to the particular device that I am using. Here it is showing me a number of different documents that are available for this kit, as well as some example applications. You can see here that there's one called TI Cloud SensorTag Demo. When you click on this item, it provides you with the instructions on how to run this demo. For this demonstration, we need to import a couple of projects into the CCS Cloud environment. Select the project called SensorTag App. Then click the button to import it into CCS Cloud. By selecting the app project, it will actually import both of the projects that are required to run this demonstration. Here you can see them, SensorTag and SensorTag Stack. Expand the SensorTag project, and then the Profiles folder. Here you see a number of source files. All of these source files are what we call linked. They're stored in a common location in the cloud and cannot be edited. I wish to make changes to this file. So what I'm going to do is save it in another location. Let's create a new folder within our project. In the context menu, I select New Folder. I'm going to call this Device Info. And now what I want to do is save this file into that folder. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. I need to expand the project and select that folder. Now I click Save. You can see that I now have a copy of this file located in the Device Info folder. And unlike the version in the Profiles directory, there's no little shortcut icon on it. Now, to avoid build errors, what I need to do is exclude the old version from my build. So just right-click on it and select Exclude from Build. You'll see that the icon has changed. Now let's open this copy of the file, and we can make changes. I'm going to scroll down to where it actually gives a name to my SensorTag. For me, this is on line 158. I can change this to be John's CC2650 SensorTag. Now, I can save the files and build the project. The first time you build, it will take a little bit of time. It needs to build the full stack and then link it into the project. Okay, once the project is built, the next step is to flash it onto our SensorTag. Now, in order to do that, we're going to be using the debug DevPack. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the red casing from your SensorTag so that you've exposed the SensorTag within it. Now, on the back of the SensorTag, there is an area here that you need to pry the little plastic off of to expose the 10-pin JTAG header. Once you have done that, you can take the debug DevPack and attach it to the SensorTag so that it fits over that JTAG header. When you're done, it will look like this. I can now plug the SensorTag into my laptop. Once you're done that, you are ready to run the demo. Simply click the Run button, and this will flash the executable to the SensorTag. and run it.
If this is the first time that you are connecting to your SensorTag from CCS Cloud, it is necessary for a small agent to be downloaded and installed onto your desktop. This includes the files necessary to communicate with the SensorTag.
Once the application is flashed, you can then run the BLE SensorTag application on either your Android device or your iOS device. Here I have it on my iPad. I simply select the SensorTag. You can see here device information, and you can see that it says John's CC2650 SensorTag. So you can repeat that same process if you wish to edit any of the source files that are part of this project. Just save a copy of them within your own folder and exclude the